Black History Month quiz winners announced. Good morning, it's Thursday, March 11th. I'm Dakota Tabor.
And cash prizes for this year's talent show. Good morning, I'm Andy Stum. The JHS Report is coming up. Congratulations to Katie Mari and Javad Syed. The two students won the Black History Month question drawing held yesterday. Both students need to see Miss Oglesby on Monday to collect their prize.
The JHS Core Department is looking for Jeff High's finest talent on Friday, April 2nd. We will be awarding $100 to our Jeff High's Got Talent first place winner. A $50 prize will go to the second place and $25 to the third. The preliminaries will take place in the choir room on Thursday, March 18th after school. Don't miss out on the opportunity to win some cash and show off your talent. See Miss Rachel or choir officers for details.
Class of 2012 dues will be collected next week. Cost is $10 if you have not paid anything. If you have paid first semester, the cost is $5. All junior class dues are past due. Please pay to Miss Nine, Miss Rector, or a junior class officer.
Starting February 16th, Greg Bowen and Gina Crone will be offering after-school tutoring in the library every Tuesday and Thursday in preparation for end-of-course testing. The tutoring will take place from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. and is geared primarily for English 10 and Algebra 1.
And Student Council is collecting new and gently used books for Kosare Children's Hospital through March 19th. All books are to be delivered to the Media Center.
To get your announcement on the WJHS report, simply fill out the form located in the front office or have a staff member email Mr. Gross, and we will do our best to make sure that announcement gets on the air.
We will have the latest. We will have the JHS weather forecast plus the latest Jeff I Sports after the break.
Hungry? Why not try Moby Dick Seafood, 1700 East 10th Street in Jeffersonville, voted best seafood in Clark County. Feed 2 or more with a box for 2 or more for only $14.69. 7 days a week. Dine in, carry out, or drive through. A clean, comfortable restaurant for the entire family. Open till 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, 10 p.m. Friday and Saturday, and 8 p.m. on Sunday. Stop in and have a whale of a sandwich.
Good morning, I'm Rebecca Wolfley with a look at today's JHS weather forecast. Rain showers early, then thunder showers for the afternoon. Storms may be severe. A high of 63. Tonight, showers early with some clearing overnight. Thunder is possible early. Low of 46. And tomorrow, rain showers in the morning with numerous thunderstorms developing in the afternoon. Storms may also be severe, a high of 64. That's a look at your JHS weather forecast. Now here's a look at JHS Sports with Chloe Franklin.
Good morning, I'm Chloe Franklin with the latest Jeff High Sports. The Jeff Red Devils boys basketball team, now 20-4 on the year, will face Martinsville 6-16 in the first semifinals of the Seymour Regional at 10 a.m. next Saturday. Game 2 at 12 noon features Evansville Harrison 15-8 on the year versus undefeated Bloomington South. They are 22-0 on the year. Tickets are on sale today during all lunches for students. Tickets for season ticket holders are on sale in the athletic office beginning today at 8 a.m. Good luck to Julie Straight's Jeff Girls Gymnastic Team advancing to the Columbus East Gymnastics Regional this weekend. Softball tryouts continue today. All girls interested must have a physical in order to try out. Please see Coach Schaefer in room D209 if you have any questions. Any boys or girls interested in going out for golf, please contact Coach Thompson through the athletic office. Indoor practices are underway. That's your latest Jeff High Sports. Stay tuned. A final word from the news desk is next.
Mr. Pavey.
Please call me Mark.
Okay, Mark. If you were elected, what would be your top 3 priorities?
My first priority will be to begin work on a 5-year strategic plan to move test scores to a higher level so we can prepare our children to compete in a 21st century economy. The current GCCS website shows a mission statement and beliefs, but we need a plan with goals, measures, and milestones to ensure our students are improving month after month, year after year. What I bring to the board is over 33 years experience working for a major telecommunications corporation, and I understand the importance of designing a plan, implementing a plan, and sustaining a plan. This district needs to position our children to compete with not only kids from around the state, but around the world for good paying jobs with good benefits. Secondly, During the current economic conditions facing our school corporation, we must examine every option to avoid losing teaching positions from our classrooms. And thirdly, let's make sure the board's focus is not to run the schools, but to ensure the schools are well run. I would appreciate your vote on May the 4th.
Finally today, the WJHS Report gives you an opportunity to wish happy birthday to that special person in your life. Bring 6 pictures and $5 to room 713 at least a day in advance, and we will get your birthday greeting on the JHS Report. That's the latest Jeff High news. We hope you have a great day. I'm Andy Stidham.
And I'm Dakota Tabor. From all of us here at WJHS, remember to do your part to make Jeff High School the best school.
And thank you for watching the JHS Report.